We strategically sat down 3 years ago and we said we are not going to play in the training space of sausage machines. And what that means is we're not going to administer or train courses for the sake of just making money and for putting as many people or bums on seats as they call it. So strategically we positioned ourselves as a global registered education provider of the Project Management Institute, which is the largest and most announced and proclaimed project management fraternity in the world. So we've aligned all of our training to the Project Management Institute certifications. And that's from the top down to the bottom. And I start at the top. Portfolio Management Professional Certification, Program Management Professional Certification, Project Management Professional Certification, which is the most popular in the world today, where it's almost become the qualifier for project managers internationally. If you look at newspaper adverts for resources or project managers, the bare minimum is project management professional qualification. Then certified associate in project management, scheduling professional, risk professional, agile certified professional, and business analyst professional. So those are all the certifications under the Project Management Institute. That's our niche. That's our niche, is international certifications. We also offer the IAF, the International Association of Facilitators, the Certified Professional Facilitator certification. And that's what we focus on, is international project management certifications. We have acquired a very exciting course that we've just been accredited on. It's called Coloured Brain. And looking at the PMI talent triangle of technical capabilities of project management, leadership capabilities of project managers, and strategic and business thinking of project managers, we've gone and focused on the lens of leadership. And just been accredited through directive communication and coloured braining certification, and all wrapped up together, covering all the angles of the PMI talent triangle and ensuring that the programs that we offer make you internationally certified. Because otherwise everything is just another certificate and another attendance that I need to. You've got to walk away with something that's meaningful, that you can take back into your business and actually add to our strategy of protecting